Good morning, children. I hope you have watched the previous videos on statistics. Children, try to solve exercise 20.1 and practice examples also. Children, in this video, we will try to understand what is grouped or classified data. Here, let us try to understand with the help of example given in your book. Here, you have to construct a frequency distribution table with the help of given data. Here we have divided the class interval in the group 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, up to 21 to 25. And tally marks are also given. So numbers between 1 to 5 is 2. For that 2 is tally marks. So frequency 2, and 6 to 10, 7. So 4, then draw a slanting line, that is 5, and 2, 7. In this way you can construct a frequency table. In example 2, you see the pocket money of 50 students in a school is given, and you have to construct a frequency table with the class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So in class interval 10 to 20, it means 10 is included but 20 is excluded. In the class interval 20 to 30, it means 20 is included or 30 is excluded. In this way you can draw the frequency table. Next is class limits and the type of frequency distribution. So here you see in the first example the class interval 1 to 5. So 1 is the lower limit and 5 is the upper limit. In second, 6 is the lower limit and 10 is the upper limit. Here it is not continuous, so it is called discrete distribution. Now in second example, when you see, you can see that it is a continuous interval because it is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Continuous distribution is there. Now next is our how to convert the discrete distribution to continuous distribution. For that we have to use adjustment factor, and adjustment factor is equal to lower limit of one class minus upper limit of previous class by 2. In this way we can construct a continuous distribution. For example, you see here classes before adjustment is 1 to 5 and classes after adjustment it becomes 0.52 minus 5.5, and then tally marks will be 2, frequency will remain 2, 16 to 10. After adjustment it becomes 5.5 to 10.5 and frequency remains 7. So let us understand what is true class limit and what is class size. So class size is the difference between the actual upper limit and the actual lower limit of the class. That is called the class size. In example 2, class size is 10 minus 20 or 20 minus 10, that is 10. In example 1, class size is 5.5 minus 0.5, that is equal to 5. Class mark of a class is the value midway between its actual lower limit and the actual upper limit. Now try to understand the cumulative frequency. Classes given, tally marks you have found, frequency it is given. Now if you add the frequency of the previous class, you will get the row of cumulative frequency. For example, here you see 11, then 11 plus 13, 24, 24 plus 13, 37, 37 plus 9, 46, and 46 plus 4, 50. Now how to form a class from a raw data? So there are certain rules. First, find the range. Classes should be non-overlapping and continuous. There should be no gaps between the classes. As far as possible, classes should be of same size. Open-ended classes such as less than 5 or greater than 9 should be avoided, and the limits of each class should be chosen that there is no ambiguity. Okay children, thank you. Go through the examples given in your book and try to understand the group data. Tally marks also you can understand if you go through the examples given in the book. Thank you. I'll come with the next video of the solution of next exercise.